What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Supreme unboxing. Welcome back to Jex Kicks, guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at the box logo multicolored hoodie here in the extra large. So yeah, we got it, and we're gonna go ahead and showcase this. Now, this is one of the most underrated colors, because I know a lot of people don't really like the design of the colors, but in my opinion, I think that this is one of the most unique box logo designs that we've gotten in a while. So this one I was actually definitely looking forward to. It was either this one or the pink one, but definitely this one. So I'm glad I got it. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. Offer it both sides, and we got our Supreme sticker obviously as well for box logo. I'm wearing last year's box logo, the sand colorway. So yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it, man. I'm very excited for this one. Let me know which ones you guys got, what color you guys got, and are you planning on getting all the other colors as well? So you just wanted to see what this one looks like before you pick it up, or are you guys planning on getting this one and you just want to see what it looks like? I got you guys covered. And off rip, same materials as the last year's box logos. So if you're wondering if you have last year's box logos, yeah, it feels the exact same. So it's pretty much last year's box logos, just in a different colorway. So here it is, right here, the beautiful red. The red on red, that actually looks clean. The red on red, like, bro, I'm telling you guys, this is a sleeper. This is a sleeper colorway. This one's fire. I don't know why this one got so much hate. Like, people just hate unique stuff. This is unique right here. This is unique, all right? This is, like, in my opinion, one of the best colorways, bro. And if you know how to make it work, you can clearly make this work with some outfits. Here's the hood. Got the 2024 on the top in a nice navy. Dang, that looks nice. Oh, the hood. Okay, yeah, same hood. It feels thick. That's really nice though. 2024 on the top. You guys can see right there. I know a lot of people don't like the year on the hood. I kind of like it. The hood, you know, the year on the top of the hood. I kind of like that. Wow, look at that. Here's the back. Got the green on the back, and I'll obviously wear it as well, you know, later on in the video. Got the brown sleeves. Here's what the sleeves look like. And I like the transitions on the back, where you got the navy, got the red on the shoulders, the green on the back, and then it transitions with the arms. Got the brown arms, and then got some more red at the bottom on the sides. This thing's kind of crazy. In hand, this thing is crazy. You guys see my Supreme unboxings, like, you know, I got the, you know, the wave varsity jacket. I got some really cool stuff here, you know, but this one really is really nice in hand. It looks better in hand than I thought. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Here we have the Supreme tag here on the side with the red. The inside follows the same colors too, so whatever you guys see on the outside, it's the same color on the inside as well. And here's what it looks like with the hood on. Obviously, you got the pockets too. Man, this thing looks crazy. I love this thing. This thing is fire. The pockets feel really nice. Definitely feels really good. Here's the arms. Like I said, this is an extra large as well. Let me know what you guys think. Here's what it's like without the hoodie as well. Yo, this is the craziest one in my opinion. This is the craziest one. I think that this is a sleeper Supreme box logo hoodie that we got for sure. Definitely fits true to size. Got a lot of comfortable breathing room as well with it. So that's really nice. A lot of people were sleeping on it, but I guarantee you down the line, this one's going to be a classic watch. Down the line, watch this one. A lot of people are going to love this one, and I think you guys should definitely get it, especially while prices are low right now too. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. Both sides. This thing is crazy. I definitely recommend it if you guys were on the fence about it. Definitely a cop. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. If you guys have any questions as well, definitely let me know. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the multicolored Supreme box logo that we got here. I think it's fire. If you guys were thinking about getting this, I highly suggest it. If you guys are on the fence, buy now, regret later. And this one won't be a regret. I promise you, like, you guys see it. This is it. You guys see it in full 4K. This thing is amazing. The quality, awesome as well. And obviously, it's embroidered and stuff like that. So, looks really cool. I love the multicolored look to it. And I think when you see this in person, you'll be like, wow, this thing's fire. It is fire. I highly recommend it. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys follow my main channel, Jex Gaming, as well. Link will be in the description down below. Check out my playlist, my Supreme unboxing playlist as well, and my shoe unboxings as well. And if you guys want more, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Drop a comment down below as well what you guys think about the multicolored Supreme box logo. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next time. I'm signing out. Peace. This thing's fire, man. Highly recommend it.